Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to animate elements in the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to your project. And when you add elements to your project, let's say this star element, then obviously you can personalize it, change the color, change the size. You can do pretty much anything with it. But now we are trying to animate it. So if you want to animate your element, you have to tap on it so it's selected. And then on the top left side of the screen, you will see this animate button. And when you tap on it, you will see all the animation options. There are a few free options and premium options as well. You will know that one option is premium if you see this little crown icon in the corner. So to add an animation, you just tap on it and it's going to add it to your element. As you can see, there are these basic animations with drift and breathe. These are the scale animations, these exaggerate animations where there are very aggressive movement, rise, span, drift, tactic, and baseline. So yeah, these are a few animations that are available for your elements. And if you want to remove an animation, then you just have to tap on remove animation and the animation is going to be removed automatically. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one.